All right, guys, 2014 Toyota Sequoia. We did this earlier in the year, about 6-7 months ago. I'm gonna show you guys what we did on it, okay? So it has black tip, resonator delete. We deleted the muffler and put a Dynomax race bullet. And we had to put a Y in to get it deleted, as you guys can see there. And then it's got 4 catalytic converters, one here, one right there, and one right there. And there it is. This is what it looks like from this side. I know that's the side you guys are used to looking at, right there and right there. There's 2 cats. Secondary cats right there and right there. Then it Y's into a single. That's where we added the Y pipe and the Dynomax race bullet, part number 24250. Be a link in the description. But to him, it's not loud enough with this setup. So we said we will hook you up. The reason is we can't run duals on this thing. We would love to run duals on it, but we can't unless we take the spare tire off, and he does not want to do that. Because if you look over here, there is no space to run duals unless you take the spare tire off. You see that right there? There's no space. So we kept it single for now. But what we're gonna do to make it a little bit louder is we're gonna cut it right here, take all that off, take the tailpipe off, take this off, and then cut it here and run 2 pipes and dump it right there. 2 pipes and dump it there. And what that will do is maybe it becomes true dual, no restriction. And then to add it off to make it even louder, we're gonna take these 2 catalytic converters off and replace them with 2 high flow converters that will open it up a lot more. So stay tuned. We're gonna let you guys hear it after. For right now, we're gonna let you hear it before with this setup. Let you guys hear it. Stay tuned. So 14 Sequoia with Dynomax race bullet, resonator delete, and roll tip. Nice. I like it. It's nice and deep with the Dynomax, but it's not loud enough. So let me let you guys hear it. Here's the sound decibels on it. Right at 105. 107. So we're gonna take that off and run true dual dumps. You guys, let me know in the comments which one you like more. All right, guys. So we did the 2014 Toyota Sequoia. We showed you earlier what it sounds like before and what was done to it before with the Dynomax race bullet on this Sequoia. I like the wheels on it. They actually fit the car. Anyways, let me show you guys what we did now. So it's still got the primary factory converters right there and there. And then what we did is put high flow secondaries there and there. They're a lot smaller, more high flow biscuits. They let a lot more air through, okay? They're not as dense. This one and right there. Then what else we did is we took the Y pipe out that went right here and replaced it with true duals all the way back. But we can't run it out the back because there's no space unless we take the spare tire out. So we didn't run it out the back and we just dumped it right under the vehicle right there, as you guys can see. And then what he requested that he didn't want to see the hole where it's missing the tip because it has a cutout for it. So we left the original style tip that we did earlier in the year and just welded some hangers to the frame on each side to stabilize it so it's not going anywhere. You see that? It's gonna be nice and firm right there. So as you guys can see, it looks a lot better. It's going to be a lot louder now. I'm anticipating 114 to 120 in sound decibels, hopefully. Especially now that it doesn't have no restriction and it has the high flow cats. Okay, there's the Y pipe setup that was on it with the Dynomax race bullet. Thank you, Mr. One, please. And there's the tailpipe that was on it too, right there. So we took all that off and yeah, dumped it. So stay tuned. We're gonna let you guys hear it. And like always, make sure you like, comment, and hit that subscribe. And if you don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. Toyota Sequoia. Yeah, it's a lot louder now. Why is it smoking so much? I don't know. Maybe those cats were clogged. Yeah, I bet you those cats were clogged maybe. You might see a lot more power out of it. Yeah, see, it stopped smoking. That was all being held in. Your sound decibels? 108. Not bad. Yeah, right at 108. Yeah, it stopped smoking. So it was so restricted. Maybe you need to replace the front tube. You might need to replace the front tube. Wow. Sounds really good though. Go ahead and back it up. It sounds really nice. I like it. It's nice and deep with the Dynomax. Toyota Sequoia. Louder now. Why is it smoking so much? I don't know. Maybe those cats were clogged. Yeah, I bet you those cats were clogged maybe. You might see a lot more power out of it. Yeah, see, it stopped smoking. That was all being held in. But it's not loud enough. So let me let you guys hear it. Here's the sound decibels on it. Right at 105. 107. Here's sound decibels. 108. Not bad. Yeah, right at 108. Yeah, it stopped smoking. So it was so restricted. Maybe you need to replace the front tube. You might need to replace the front tube. Wow. Was it sluggish before? No? Sounds clean. Let you guys hear on the inside. Surprised how it's not louder than that, guys. What do you guys think? Why it's not loud enough? He wants it louder. I'm surprised it wasn't. Even with true duals and high flow cats and dumps, it's not that loud. I thought it would be a lot louder. I told him it's stock cold air intake. I told him get an aftermarket cold air intake on it too. It's still not bad though. Enjoy, guys.